Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota Highlander 2001 to 2007? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Highlander 2001 to 2007, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for gauges and SRS airbag systems, the audio or navigation system, power windows and outlets, fog lights, and the vehicle's multiplex communication control. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Highlander 2001 to 2007 protects circuits for the air-fuel ratio sensor, multi-port fuel injection, EFI, the ABS, starter, alternator, horn, headlights, towing lights, and the vehicle's security system. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.